Here's the power of order flow, a trend change, and a level to enter on. Price ripped through VWAP as the 5-minute EMA cloud crossed over, and the 10 starts to converge. While we also got a big surge in Delta and a very bullish 4-stack imbalance just below our level. Price then closed hard above our level and pulled back to within a few ticks just above VWAP, where I entered long on 4 contracts. Price went back up to prior bar high, and I got out for a quick $475 opening trade scalp. Second trade was a bullish breakout to the next level VWAP up. Price rotated back down to VWAP, then rallied hard up, forming a bull flag at a structure level. Price and Delta just kept building and building, and then price broke out of the flag in pursuit of our VWAP target. We reached target just a few minutes later for an $800 trade on 4 contracts. Total on the morning, $1,275 just following those entry signals.
If you like this and you want access to the tools, check out Ninjacators Fast Track with the link below.